Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a ladybug while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that is said, CABEZA. These are the antennas, that in Spanish is said, ANTENA. We draw its wings, that in Spanish is said, alas. We draw its famous polka dots, that in Spanish is said, lunares. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say ladybug in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's see if you know the answer. Ladybug in Spanish is MARIQUITA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!